Good morning from Fat Cat Productions. Today is September 24th. It is right around 8 o'clock actually, early here in the morning, 8:08 to be exact, right here on the West Coast. I'm gonna take off my Volt Democratic of Orange County face mask. Having some troubles here. Don't laugh when you see this on YouTube, the troubles of wearing glasses when you're trying to wrap these face masks on here. I just filmed a 2 minute video for my campaign. This is my official documentation for the city of Irvine. For those who don't know, my name is Luis Huang. I am running for mayor. I wanted to do a short video on my experience on filming and uploading a 2 minute political campaign video. So this is answering how to upload a quick 2 minute video onto YouTube. This is the exact details. I don't know if you can read it, but basically I shot the 2 minute campaign video at 7:21 in the morning. Doing the math on this, the details of this is using my Samsung Galaxy 6S Edge phone. This is 266 megabytes. It took right around 30 minutes to upload. So that video is live on my other website. So you hear from home, shot from my phone, and then uploading on YouTube, the metric is it takes 2 minutes. It takes right around 2 minutes to upload a 266 megabyte video, which is consistent with the other videos that I have uploaded, which were more on 5 and 6 minute mark. So 2 minutes versus 5 or 6 minutes, and those took well over an hour. So anyways, this is Fat Cat Productions doing a quick 2 minute explainer video answering how to upload a 2 minute video. Please like and subscribe. I am launching my this is a new Fat Cat Productions is a new production. We could use all the support we can get. Please like and subscribe. Comment below. Are you interested in uploading videos? Have you experienced this before? My next video will be using MacBook Pro Air to upload videos direct on YouTube, and we'll find out if it's a little bit faster for that. So signing off, this is my 3 minute video on explaining how to upload a 2 minute video onto YouTube. So Fat Cat Productions, I'm the CEO of Fat Cat, signing off. Everyone please stay safe and have a good one out there.